finna running it up. Flat, I'm running it up. I'm chasing them bangs.
What's up, y'all? This is Marlo TV and my 87 Buick Regal. Got a little minor things wrong with it, but you know, she getting there. She getting there. Like today, we fixing the door. I guess later on up in the future, probably be doing some little shop works. I just want to take y'all along with me, so y'all the little journey. I was broke nigga, fix the cup. Today we're gonna be adjusting the door. A little slight work. You know what I'm saying? Right now it's a little hangy. As you can see, it don't line up perfect. Still got a nice little gap. But as you can see on the other side, I already did the other side. Probably a couple days ago, or a week ago. You can see the gap. Perfect. Line up beautiful. So basically, that's what we're gonna be doing up on the other side. And I got my brother right there, my brother Dre. Gonna be giving me a hand. I got my dog behind the camera, John. Y'all go check out the channel. It's ITSJONJONTV. Your dog. But basically that's about it. Get to it. Basically, what happened with these, with the old schools, not just G-bodies, all old schools. That bushing, they got a pin up in the with the bushing right here. And that shit does, it sometimes wear out, as you can see. It kind of bust up. So what we gotta do is take that pin out there, change that bushing out. They got another bushing to the top. Change that pin and the bushing. And shouldn't take too long. Take probably about an hour if you know what you're doing. And we amateurs, we don't really know what we're doing. But hopefully it don't take too long. Basically what we're gonna try to do, because the last time we did it, we actually took the whole door off. So what we're gonna try to do this time, just try. Hopefully it work out like planned. I'm gonna just try to loosen these bottom bolts up and take the whole top hinge off, and hopefully that make it a lot easier and faster. Yeah, damn. Okay. Yes. That should be it though. This straight old school lovers, y'all, dog. Straight old school lovers, man. Try to get that wide open. Yeah, too far? Bring it in some. Alright, check it up some. Yep. I'm a straight old school man, dog. I love old school. I take old school over a new car any day, dog. Any day. I ain't lying. Basically just took the 3 bolts out right here. The 3 bolts that hold the door. And after that, cut this pin right here out. Cut this pin out. And replace that pin and the bushing. Though heavy as hell, so you're gonna need some help. The easy way is always the better way. Boy, that bitch feel like a dead body, boy. God damn. Got my back killing me. Spring compressor for the spring. If you want, you can see it a whole lot better from this angle. That you see the bushing there you gotta change out. That little bushing right around here. A lot of people use that spring compressor, but really don't need that. Oh man, god damn. What is it? That's a bitch ass, boy. I don't want to leave nobody wrong, especially if they got youngsters doing it or watching this. Make sure you have on your safety glasses and have on some gloves. Safety glasses and gloves.
You needed the compressor. Tell the camera why you need this compressor. You're doing it. There you.
Couldn't do it without you. Couldn't do it without you, bro. Couldn't do it without you. You gotta replace these. These the bushes. They go inside the hinge. Right there. This one, yeah, go to the bottom. Either one they gonna fit in. They give you two different sizes. This one, yeah, go in the top, and you gotta kind of beat them in there. Basically, what we had to do, drop the pin in, put the bushings in, and fight with this damn spring since we ain't got the spring compressor. But since we ain't got the spring compressor, what we did was use a screwdriver, your trusted screwdriver, put it in one of the grooves, and basically just pry it back. Use a little hinge as a levitation, you know what I'm saying? Pry that bit back, bow, pop it in, and you'll be good to go. Now the hard part is putting the goddamn door back on. Put the door back on, trying to line them holes up. These three holes right here, they got, up on the door, they got like a little spacer. Sometimes when you think that you got it in the hole, you ain't got it in that little spacer. You know what I'm saying? So, gotta line that bitch up, put it in those little spaces, tighten it up. Hold on, before we put it on, show you what I'm talking about. So you can put it in the hole, but they got these little bushings right here. Them bitches move around on you when you're trying to put that screw in there. So that's basically why this the hardest part. Trying to line it up with them, trying to get that screw in there. Hopefully it go better than the other side though. shop tried to charge me $600 to put the pins in. Bushings, the pins probably $2.75. We round it up to $3. $3 each side, $6, and then everything else is profit. Now I'm pretty sure they got way more tools than what we got. The only tool we use, the cutter or a grinder, the trusted pliers, screwdriver, and a hammer, and your ratchet, and a 7/16 inch socket, and done. Under what? Under an hour. That's it. Basically, that bitch sound bad right now, cause I need some WD-40 or something, some lube on there. But basically, put the pins in, line the bolts up. As you can see, ain't got too much play up in it. She lined up perfect. Line up perfect. Still got to tighten the bolts up with it. That's it. Save yourself a couple $100, $600-700. Do it yourself, bruh. Do it yourself. The project bill, you know what I'm saying? The budget bill. I ain't trying to spend too much money on it, but trying to make it look decent. Yeah, got the drag radios on there. The exhaust. Put a brand new motor in there. I got the digital dash going in there. I got hella sound going in there. Got a hella sound. Got hella sound going in there. I did the bumper fillers. Did all that myself. Saved myself a whole lot of money. I'm cheap. I don't like spending too much money. Hey, catch me next time. Molo TV. Check me out.